Hi guys, you know it's your girl Miss Carla7. So today I'll be doing a different type of video. I just bought like a bunch of makeup out of nowhere and made orders and stuff, so I'm about to test out some new foundations. Usually I'll stick with like one or two foundation and kind of mix and go, change up, you know, when the seasons change. But now I just want to get into like a lot of different type of makeup, like to see how I like the texture, to see how I like the color or whatever. And I'm also going to show you guys how to apply your makeup using different techniques, you know, with different brushes, sponges, or your hand. It doesn't matter. So let's get into the video. So first I'm gonna show you guys the different makeups that I got and where I got them from. So this one is called Maybelline Fit Me, and this is the matte one. I didn't even notice it was matte, guys. I've never really tried a matte makeup, I think, foundation. I don't know. I'll see how that works. That was from Walmart. And then the second one is L'Oreal. And this one is the True Match makeup, and says new color. By the way, this was so freaking hard to find my colors at the drugstore because they don't have testers. It was mad annoying. Now the other two that I got, or three that I got, is this one is from Estee Lauder, like this, and this is the double wear. So let's see how that looks. This is how it looks. I used Estee Lauder before, back then when I used to be on YouTube a lot. I used to use this one foundation from Estee Lauder, and it was so freaking good. Like, that was like my favorite makeup in the world. Alright, the next one is from Clinique, and this one is called Super Balance Silk Makeup, whatever. This is how it looks. The other one is from Smashbox. This one from the same makeup store. It also came with this little sample with their primer. I mean, I heard their primer is real good, so I guess this is something to try, so we'll see. I'll try that today. And the other one is from NARS. I got this one from Sephora, and I usually have another NARS, but this one was a little light, so I went and got another one which was like a step down from it. So we'll see how this one looks also. So yeah, I think I have three NARS. One of them is too dark, one of them is too light, so hopefully this one is just in the middle. Alright, and last but not least, the other foundation I have is my favorite BB cream. And this is just from the beauty supply store, and it's from Kiss New York, and I absolutely love this BB cream. This is like my favorite. This is like my go-to foundation when I just don't have anything else. Okay, you guys, so right now we're about to get into the video. So I'm gonna start with the Maybelline Fit Me, and as I said, it's super hard to freaking find foundation to match you in the beauty supplies, in the drugstore. Like, I do not think this matched me. So this is the shade so far, and this is the shade I got, and I don't know, let's see. This is supposed to be matte, so I don't think it matched y'all, but let's see. And I'm using the stippling brush, by the way, and what I'm doing is patting. This is the Fit Me, and it's not bad. It's real matte, as they said. I'm just kind of building it up a little because I don't think it gives me a full enough coverage. But I don't know how I'm feeling the matte, y'all, because I like my skin to kind of look satiny and then use my powders to make it all matte. So I don't know if, like, when I use my powder, if it's gonna be extra like dry and chalky. So yeah, but so far so good. I guess I can wear the matte one like during the summer, I guess, when I'm gonna be more moist and sweaty. I don't know, but you can tell the difference between this one, I mean this side, and this side. So this is my natural side with all my freckles and moles and stuff, and then this is the side with makeup. So now we're about to try the L'Oreal True Match. Put it on top of my hand. Oh shit. Okay, so this one is a little more watery than the other one. The other one is a little more thicker. And I'm gonna go in with my Morphine brush, and it's just like a hard foundation brush or buffer brush, whatever you want to call it. It's M439, and this is the foundation. And as usual, they look a little light, but until I add them on. So here we go. I'm doing the same process by patting it in. So this one is applying a little more like spreadish because it's more watery, so I like that about it. Okay, you guys, so I did add the L'Oreal on, and I like the way it applies. I think the color is a little lighter than my skin, but I do know how to tone my foundation down, so that's not bad. It's not too far from my skin tone. It just could be a little like tad darker. And so now I'm gonna try the Estee Lauder, and this is the double wear. It says stay in place makeup. Let's see. Oh, it's so thick and nice. I just love when my makeup is thick. So this is it. And I'm gonna go in with this brush, which is my favorite brush, and this is from Crown Brushes, and it just looks like so. And I'm gonna go in on this side. Okay, so this one matches my skin perfectly. Oh yeah, it is so good. Let me show y'all more. And I really like the texture of this makeup. It's thick and the coverage is like super full, and it matches my skin perfectly. So I'm in love with this one so far. Yes, I love it so far. Thank God I found a perfect one that I can continuously buy. So this is the Estee Lauder, and I'm in love with this one. So the next one I'll be using is, do y'all see that coverage though? I was just talking but I saw the coverage. Do y'all see that coverage though? I love this one. So the next one I'll be using is the Clinique. And yeah, so let's see how that goes. Always put it on my hand. I think I need one of those thingies you put on. Okay, so first and foremost, the texture. Love it. I like when my makeup is thick sometimes, because I know the type of coverage it's going to give me. But I also love when my makeup is watery. I don't know, because it feels lightweight. But right now, let's see. So I'm going to go in with a beauty blender. This beauty blender is from like the original beauty blender. So yeah, that's what I'm going in with. And here we go. I really like it so far. The color is perfect. So I like the Clinique and the Estee Lauder so far. The L'Oreal and the Maybelline was like, you know. So this is the Clinique. And I love the Clinique so far. So this side is the Estee Lauder, and then this side is the Clinique. And I can't really tell the difference, just that this one has a little more glow in it. And this one is a little darker, but it still matches me. But I love both of them. So thumbs up for the Clinique and the Estee Lauder. Now, the next one I'm going to try is the Smashbox. And this is in the color 9. And this is the Liquid Hollow HD Foundation. So, let's see. So, pump. Okay, so this one is watery. I know I said I like it thick, but I also like it watery. And the applicator that I'm gonna use is a silicone blender. Let's try this. Y'all people make these things up every day. Like, why do I need a silicone sponge thing? Well, guess what? It's working and it's kind of nice. So I think I put too much foundation on, but I'm gonna blend that shit out. Okay, so this foundation is like really light. It's not giving me a full coverage even when I try to build it. So I do like the foundation, but I would use this foundation if I'm trying to be really light, like to natural. Other from that, the foundation, it do feel good. It looks pretty, and the sponge, I like it. It applies makeup real nice, surprisingly. So a good one, you guys, good one. So the next one I'm gonna use is the NARS, and the new color that I'm using is the medium dark number 5. So pump in. So that's the color. I hope this is the right color, because NARS is too expensive to be testing out. So here we go. I'm gonna use the same silicone sponge. Good so far. All right, so this one is also light, just like the Smashbox, but it's a little thicker in a sense. So it applies. See how it spreads everywhere? I just use like a small amount. It's spreading everywhere. Ooh, y'all, first of all, there's so much product left back on my hand. When you use the NARS, just use a small amount. The NARS and the Smashbox, you can use a small amount because it spreads. Yeah, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see, but I can see the NARS is like the best one I've put on so far. I'm just saying. I mean, I like the others that I put on, but the NARS. So just wipe this side off. And y'all, just because I love my NARS, I'm just like leaving it on. I usually take it off, but yeah, it gotta stay on. Like, oh, I love it. So now I'm gonna go in with the BB cream, the Kiss BB cream. I'm using medium, color medium, and this color matches me well also. Because as I said, this is like my everyday one, so I'm just showing you guys how it looks. And I'm gonna use my hands this time. So this is another applicator you can use. I used to use my hands like way back. So here we go. So there we go. So this is the BB cream, and that's how it looks on my skin. And as I said, the BB cream is one of my favorites. It's like one of my everyday, so when I'm out, that's my cheap thing to go to. I just used like all of these freaking makeup on my skin to test it out. As I said, my least favorites was the L'Oreal and the Maybelline Fit Me. I mean, it was okay, but they're just my least favorite. Other than that, I love the Estee Lauder. The Clinique was very pretty. My favorite was NARS, and my original good one is the BB cream. It's Aqua Beauty Balm from Kiss. And then the Smashbox was okay. I like the application, but as I said, I'll use it when I want to go really light with my foundation, but it was good also. So I hope you guys enjoy this foundation tutorial, I should say. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy this foundation tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one because I'm about to deep clean this right now. So catch you in the next video.